I'm shocked that one could receive it. Must have caught a glimpse of the attentive tone. Hopefully it doesn't catch anything now, because all signal reception is pointed over here. That's why every single radio antenna is pointed back here slightly. Except the Eton FRX.
Hazard, flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Virginia Beach, Great Ridge, Regent University, Kempsville, Virginia Wesleyan University, Norfolk State University, downtown Norfolk, downtown Portsmouth, Deep Creek, Old Dominion University, Ocean View, Kirkland, Norfolk, Chesapeake, Portsmouth, Suffolk, Fentress Field, Princess Anne, Craddock, and Norfolk International. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flash